Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been keeping an eye on the crypto market lately, you probably noticed that Bitcoin and other cryptos are on the rise as we head into April. But why? What's driving this surge? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the actual reasons why crypto is going up right now, with a special focus on Bitcoin. Let's break it down. Segment 1. Market overview. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's do a quick recap. Over the past few months, we've seen Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies climb steadily. As we approach April, Bitcoin has surged past key resistance levels. But what's fueling this upward momentum? Is it just hype, or is there something more concrete happening? Segment 2. Institutional interest and adoption. One of the main reasons we're seeing this growth is the increasing institutional interest. Big players like hedge funds, banks, and investment firms are getting more involved in the crypto market. We've seen giants like BlackRock and MicroStrategy buying up large amounts of Bitcoin. Even traditional companies like Tesla and PayPal have dipped their toes in, creating a ripple effect in the market. Institutions aren't just investing in Bitcoin, they're investing in the future of digital assets. This increased institutional involvement is giving crypto a sense of legitimacy and stability, which is attracting more investors to the space. Segment 3. Bitcoin halving effect and scarcity. Another key factor is the upcoming Bitcoin halving event. This halving is expected to happen in 2024, but it's already creating some buzz in the market. You see, Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins, and every few years, the rate at which new coins are mined gets cut in half. This reduces the overall supply of Bitcoin, making it more scarce over time. Now, while the actual halving event is still a year away, investors are already preparing for its impact, pushing Bitcoin's price up in anticipation of that reduced supply. Scarcity tends to drive value, and Bitcoin is no exception. Segment 4. Global economic factors. Then, there's the global economic situation. With inflation rates soaring, people are looking for alternatives to traditional investments. Fiat currencies are being devalued, and many are turning to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, is seen as a store of value in uncertain times. This increased demand for alternative assets is helping to drive up prices, especially as we head into April with no signs of the economic situation improving in the short term. Segment 5. Regulatory clarity. Regulatory clarity is another important factor. Over the past few years, crypto regulations have been a big question mark, especially in major economies like the US. However, there has been progress in the development of clearer crypto policies. Just recently, there have been more discussions about creating a regulatory framework that makes it easier for institutional investors to engage in the market. More clarity means less risk for investors, and as the market matures, it gives people confidence in crypto's long-term potential. This clarity is helping attract more institutional capital, which, as we mentioned earlier, contributes to the upward price movement. Segment 6. Growing retail adoption. Of course, we can't forget about the growing retail adoption. More and more individuals are buying Bitcoin, not just for trading, but as part of their everyday life. In some countries, crypto is becoming more mainstream, with businesses accepting Bitcoin as payment and users becoming more comfortable with decentralized finance, DeFi, services. As retail adoption increases, the demand for Bitcoin goes up. This retail interest in crypto, combined with the institutional interest, is creating a perfect storm for price growth. And as Bitcoin gets more widely used, its value tends to rise. Segment 7. The bullish sentiment. And, of course, we can't overlook the psychology of the market. Right now, there's a lot of bullish sentiment in the air. When investors see prices going up, they tend to jump in, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a real thing in crypto markets. As more people join the market, it pushes prices even higher, and this cycle continues. We've seen this play out in the past, and right now, it seems like the bull market mentality is taking hold again. Segment 8. The road ahead. Now, don't get me wrong. Crypto is still volatile. We could see short-term corrections, and we should always approach these markets with caution. But as we move into April, there's a lot of optimism surrounding Bitcoin and the broader crypto space. It's an exciting time, and whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer, it's definitely worth paying attention to what's happening. So, there you have it, an inside look at why crypto is going up heading into April. Institutional interest, Bitcoin scarcity, global economic factors, regulatory clarity, retail adoption, and market sentiment are all contributing to this bullish trend. As always, make sure to do your own research, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. We'll see you in the next video.